a commercial building owner with a leaky roof. Let us show you what we did to help this building owner buy some extra time until it got within his budget to get a new roof. Please stay tuned. We're here in a place called Maryland on a roof repair commercial building owner. Had it along the edge of the roof here, got it around here. He's really due for a new roof, but for buying some extra time, we're going to be doing rubber twist on the edge to dry him in for a couple more years, and he does get in line for that. Installing 60 mil TPO Elevate roofing system for him there. Come with a 20-year material warranty from the manufacturer. Also a 20-year installation because we're certified in Elevate there. See our lead foreman coming down the road, coming down the home stretch here. Always have that fire extinguisher there. We had some rain last night, so we're drying the roof off here, setting up to do a repair. Down here we have already brushed it off. So you see one of our technicians blowing the roof off with a blower, prepping the roof here. So yeah, if you're a building owner and you're having some issues like this, we entice you to look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And thank you.